Today we're going to talk about how you can reuse your grass clippings instead of throwing them away in the landfill. The first thing that you can actually do is use your mower and mulch those grass clippings back into the lawn. Most mowers now come equipped with a mulching blade, but check the instructions that came with your machine just to make sure and to see if there's any small adjustments that might need to be made. One of the biggest questions that we get about returning your grass clippings to the lawn is, does it contribute to thatch buildup? And no, it does not. Thatch is primarily made up of the underground stems and root system of the turf grass and not the leaf blades. A lot of the research is showing that the leaf blade can actually be up to about 90% water. Some of the benefits of returning the grass clippings back to the lawn is nutrient recycling and improving the organic content of the soil. Some of the research suggests that by returning the grass clippings over the course of a growing season, you can return up to a pound of nitrogen to the soil throughout the course of the growing season. The grass clippings will also help improve the organic content of the soil, which will help improve the water uptake of the soil. The second thing that you can do with your grass clippings is to bag it and use it as mulch around your plants. We caution people not to use any of the grass clippings that may have been sprayed with a post-emergent weed killer such as 2,4-D, dicamba, or quinchloric. When you're using any mulch product around your plants, you want to make sure that you don't place too much mulch around the crown of the plant. When using grass clippings, you want to put down maybe a ½ inch to an inch of the grass clippings down at one time. Any more that you put down, you can actually start building up some foul smell, which is not exactly what we're looking for. So it's really easy to do, and you're continuing that nutrient recycling part of the grass clippings. The third thing that you can do with your grass clippings is make a compost pile with them. It's really simple to do, but you want to make sure that you don't overdo it. With the grass clippings, they can either be a green or a brown. If you're going to use them as a brown, you're going to need to spread them out, allow them to dry out for a couple days before you add them to your compost pile. If you're using them as a green, go ahead and add them right away and just mix them in with your existing compost pile. Alright, so wrapping this up, what you're going to do is you can actually return those clippings to the lawn. You're going to improve the soil fertility and the water uptake of the lawn. If you're going to bag it, go ahead and use those around those plants, such as your fruits and vegetables. It makes an excellent mulch. Or you can use your grass clippings as a compost in your compost pile.